Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Happy Valentine's Day. And today is part 3 of our bag. Today we will crochet sew our sides of our bag. We will attach with our two panels, front and back panels. It looks like this. These are our sides. Then today we will crochet this our sides. It looks like this. This is our bottom part and on top. How we will crochet? We will cast on 21 stitches and crochet 3 rows with our 1/2 double crochets. Then continue crocheting our mesh pattern, 1 double crochet like we crocheted our first row. But here we will not crochet our 5 double crochets. Crochet just chain 3, chain 1 for turning, 1 double crochet, skip second stitch and into the third crochet 1 double crochet, chain 1, then again skip 1 stitch, crochet 1 double crochet, and we will crochet 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 double crochets and crochet 6 rows like our one report. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Next we will crochet 1 row with 1 pattern double crochet, next row 1/2 double crochet. This is our report. 6 rows with 1 mesh pattern, 7th row 8, then repeat one more time, 1 report, and crochet next 6 mesh pattern, and we will end with our 3 rows with 1/2 double crochet like we began. Here also crochet, we stopped here on the row 6, crochet 3 more rows with our 1/2 double crochet like this, 3 rows with 1/2 double crochet. Next I will show you how we will attach. We will grab our front side, this is our front side, and make it here like this. Then we will sew. I will begin from left side like this. Attach our yarn into this under one loop on top of our last half double crochet. Attach. We will crochet under 2 loops. Then attach. Make sure it's our front side. Front side. Then attach on the last our stitch. Then crochet together. Next we will crochet into each rows. It needs to be matched. Here our 1/2 double crochet and next half double crochet and crochet 1 single crochet. Then next second row of our half double crochet and the next one also. One single crochet together. Then next third row of our half double crochet. I will grab just 1 loop. And next, then crochet 1 single crochet. Next, I will crochet into our this stitch where we made 1 half double crochet. It will be also 1 single crochet. Next, we have our chain 3 half double crochet. Under this, we will crochet 2 single crochets. 1. I will grab another knot number 4. I will use number 3.25. It's smaller and it's easier, and our sides will be not too big. Crochet 2, 1 single crochet, second single crochet, then crochet into our attached side here, also 1 single crochet, not too loose and not too tight. Again, under 1 double crochet, crochet 2 single crochets. Then don't forget crochet here into the stitch. It's all need to be matched. Next, our next row with our single crochets 2 times, then into here. Next, continue. Next 2 single crochets, and into the stitch 1 single crochet. Next 2 single crochets into our stitch. Again, next 2 single crochets, here and here. Make sure it's all our stitches in our place. It looks like this. Needs to be matched each row. Next, our half double crochet, grab 1 stitch and next one, crochet 1 single crochet, again into our stitch, this one and this one, crochet also our stitch. Under this patterned double crochet, we will crochet 2 single crochets and again into our stitches. So crochet, then continue. It looks like this. The other part also 2 1 2 1, here 1 1 2 1, and until here, until the end of our 3 half double crochets. How it looks like. And now we will attach our base. Here, how we will crochet. Here we have 21 stitches on our side of our back, and we will crochet 21 stitches on the bottom. It will be like 1 or 2 more stitches more because it's this side, attaching side. Yeah, I will add 1 more stitch like here on back side it will be one more, and here also one more. Now we will crochet one, grab also just one stitch, one loop, it will be two, one loop or two loops. Here I will make two, it will be three, four, five, six, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, it looks like this, 10 and until 21. Then here we will add one more stitch. I am done crocheting 21 stitches, then one more stitch, and will be our 21, 22, 23rd stitch. Make it angle. It's the angle, and here we have 23 stitches. Next, we will crochet with the same way this side of the bags. Also crochet 2, 1, 2, 1, and until here. Next we will go into the next side. I crocheted our next side. Here how it looks like. Then now we will go with this row in the last row until this angle. Crochet into this first 2 half double crochets, 1 single crochet. Next we will crochet, go into the same stitch with 1 slip stitch. Then we will continue into each under 2 loops. We will crochet 1 slip stitch, and with slip stitches we will continue until the end of our row, like this. Slip stitch, under 2 loops, slip stitch, into each loop we will make slip stitch. It looks like this. This other side, and how we will have when we crocheted our inner side of our bag. It's hard to show. Looks like this. Then continue. Next, crochet with slip stitches until the end of our row, then attach our second side of our bag with the same way like we did this one. Then next, from this side we will go to the other side, and I will show you how we will crochet until this attach. I attach the second side panels of our bag. Now I will go this row like we did before. Make it slip stitches, go into the next stitch and make slip stitch, then continue. Under 2 loops make slip stitch into each loop. Like this, and until the end of our row. This our row with slip stitches. From back side it looks like this. Then now we will crochet into our where we attach our side panel. Like into each stitch we will crochet. Here I will make one more time slip stitch, and from the next one we will crochet just one single crochet into each stitch all around. One single crochet into each stitch. This is our row, and crochet all our this side, the base side, to the other side until here. Then from here we will make again, I will show you also slip stitches. First we will crochet our around our side, the side of our bag. The second row around our side of bag, it's done, and now we will make second row of our slip stitches. Go under here, make one more slip stitch, and go into the next stitch, make slip stitch, and into each here we will make slip stitches into our previous row, into previous slip stitch, at the middle make slip stitch, then continue making slip stitches into each stitch. Then all our row until the end we'll make slip stitches like this. It will be second row of our slip stitches. It will be more wider, and from back side it looks like this. And next we will crochet again second row of our round side of our bag, and again next one row with second row of our slip stitches. Then I will show you here how we will make our also one row with slip stitches. After complete our row, we will sew here also on top of our this row. Make one row with slip stitches. Attach here, and we will crochet like this with both sides. No. I need to make here. Then go into the next loop and crochet our slip stitches into each row. Just make one row or two rows like our on our panels. I will make 2 times for matching this also with our panels. Like this until here. Then again second row again attach here and row one more time. Here also we will make the same way with 2 rows with slip stitches. Then on the bottom part also I will show you how we will make 1 row with slip stitches. In the next part I will show you how we will make it. For today we're done. It's part 3 of our bag. It looks like inside our bag, and the bottom part, so beautiful, big tote bag. And that's it. Subscribe, click like, leave a comments below, and see you soon in the next part of our form. We will crochet our handles. And thank you for watching. See you. Thank you. Bye.